Hey guys, my name is Scoby. Today I'm going to be showing you how to turn off autocorrect on Android. This is going to be a nice quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything. Let's jump right into this. So the first thing you want to do is open up your settings. And once your settings opens up, we're going to be scrolling down to language and input. And then from here, we're going to be scrolling down until we see keyboards and input methods. From here, we're going to be looking at what current keyboard we have selected. In this case, I have the Android default keyboard enabled. What we then want to do is look down inside this list and try find the settings for this actual keyboard. Now, depending on if you have another keyboard selected in your Android, other keyboards may show up here. So select the one that you're currently using. In this case, I'm going to be selecting the Android keyboard. Once you're in the settings of your keyboard, you should have a couple of options. Usually there's preferences, settings, appearance and layout, a couple different things. Depending on the keyboard you have, this may be slightly different, but in this case, this is what mine looks like. Down here at the bottom, you should see text correction. If we click into this, we should see some extra features, including block offensive words, autocorrect, personalization settings, suggested contact names, next word suggestions, etc. But up here, you should notice autocorrection. What we can do is uncheck this and then autocorrection will be disabled. Now, if we go to our browser for an example, we can try type something. So if I try to type hello but spell it wrong, it won't try to autocorrect it. I'll be able to type anything I want, click space, and my phone won't try to change it. Anyway guys, it's that easy to turn off autocorrect on your Android device. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you found these videos helpful and you want to support me. I make all these videos for free, so I'd really appreciate it. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.